Hi, it's Hannah with WTI, trying to stay warm, and I wanted to show you my husband's new coat by Orolay. So this coat is super stylish. It is filled with duck down, so it's not overly heavy, but it's really warm. My husband usually wears an extra large in shirts, but this one I got an extra large so that he can wear sweaters and everything underneath. He's 6'3", and you can see how it fits him very well. On the sleeves, there's a nice little adjustable thing so you can make the sleeves tight around your gloves so you don't worry about snow getting in. There's a double zipper so you can zip it up, and then when you sit down you can zip up from the bottom so that you can sit down and it's a little bit more comfortable. There is tons of pockets, so you have 2 on the outside, and then on the inside you also have a couple. You have one up high and you have one on the other side down low. It also has a really nice hood, so it will keep the back of your neck and head warm. And the great part is it is machine washable, so everything in our house always needs washed, and this one I can throw in the washing machine. So if you're looking for a nice warm coat, check this one out. That's my point of view.